Hello, my name is Tom DeMasters, owner of DeMasters Insurance in Kansas City, Missouri, and this YouTube video is concentrating on what is comprehensive and collision anyway. Most people call and know they need auto insurance, but maybe if this is their first purchase and their first car, all they know is that they do need full coverage because that's what the loan company or the lien holder is telling them they need. Usually you're going to need comprehensive and collision coverage if you have a loan on your car. So if you bought a car for no matter how much, as long as you have a loan, they're going to require you to carry full coverage. So I want to explain just a little bit about what it is you're buying. Comprehensive coverage you can buy in deductibles. Usually the standard anymore is around $500, but you can go down to $50, $100, $250, $500, or even $1,000 deductible comprehensive. And what comprehensive covers is fire, theft, and storm damage. Those are the primary things that we think about. So let's talk about those real quick. Fire, of course, if your car caught on fire, for say the engine caught on fire, that is comprehensive. So if this happened to your car, the insurance company would pay up to the Blue Book value of your vehicle minus your deductible. Let's say is $500, for instance. That's the fire. Also theft, if somebody stole your car, if somebody broke into your car, that would be vandalism. And if they stole your radio, that's covered. As long as it is attached to the car, if it's your laptop computer sitting in the front seat, that has to be covered by renter's insurance or homeowner's insurance. So it has to be attached to the car. The next coverage comprehensive would cover would be storm damage. So storm damage would include wind, hail, tornado, and lightning. This would all be covered by comprehensive. If lightning hit the car, I mean, it doesn't happen very often, but it certainly could, that would be covered by comprehensive. Extreme hail here in the Midwest, we get quite a bit, so that is also covered. So any type storm damage like that, tornado, high winds, anything like that. So that is comprehensive coverage. One other coverage that is covered by comprehensive that's kind of interesting is if you hit a deer or if you hit any animal in the road, that is still covered by comprehensive, even though you would think of it as a collision because you're colliding with something. But in auto insurance, if you hit a deer, that is still comprehensive. So that explains a little bit about comprehensive insurance. Now the other part of full coverage, besides liability and comprehensive, is collision coverage. So collision coverage also, you can choose many different deductibles. You can go 100, 250, 500, 1,000. Some in commercial insurance, they go much higher than that. But for our personal auto policies, the standard collision deductible is either 500 or 1,000. And if you want to go with 1,000 deductible because the premium may be lower, you need to contact your lien holder and see if they will allow you to take that high of a deductible. Because a lot of times they may say you can only have 500 deductible and no higher. Although most companies are starting to change that because the 1,000 deductibles are a little more common now. But collision coverage, what does that cover and why do I need it? Well, this would cover the car in the event that you collided with something. It could be another vehicle, but it doesn't have to be. It could also be if you collided with, if you hit a ditch, you collided with that ditch, you dented your car, bent your wheel, that is collision coverage. Also, if you hit a huge pothole in the road and damaged your wheel, that is collision coverage. So it's paid under your collision, not your comprehensive. Obviously, if you hit somebody else's car and damage your own car, then that is you've collided with something. So that is collision. So when your loan company, the reason they want you to carry comprehensive and collision is obviously that protects your car. If you carry liability-only insurance and do not carry comp and collision, there is no coverage on your own car. And so that is dangerous if you have a loan on the car. So I hope this explains a little bit about comprehensive and collision. I'm just trying to make this in short tidbits to give you some insight on auto insurance. Feel free to email me if you would like by going to kcinsurance.com. These videos are for informational purposes only. Please contact your local agent, and thank you.